Hello, let's talk once again. This is me, your Brother Aiedee, the preacher with testimony. Many years ago, somebody told me that that traveling is a part of education. To travel, to move from one place to another, that is a part of education, especially when you move and go to live in a place. Another person also told me that I am a Christian because I was born in Nigeria and in the Christian part of Nigeria. That's why I'm a Christian. But as time went on, I am beginning to notice by myself and I am beginning to agree with things I thought they were not true. For example, in Nigeria there is a song that goes like this. Which kind soup, mama kuku or papa kuku, na gbolo soup, no pepper, no oil, na gbolo soup. So some of us will know the music. So that music, the singer, one person be like say he cook bad soup, he not put pepper, he not put oil. Why? Because where they for bonus, they chop pepper, they chop oil, and if you not put pepper and oil for your food, they will look you as a poor man, say you not get money, and make you no do. And so it be. Why? Because now the traditional culture and the how would they meet the life for there. We'll continue now so you end, so everybody they do now so it's supposed to be. But when you come to Spain, and also when you come to abroad or Europe, when you come to Spain, Malaga, I don't chop many better food when you not get pepper, you not get oil. And a rich man I cook them. And we see you not get money. So now where they born them. Then somebody constantly tell me, say, I be Christian because they born me for Nigeria. I can't find and say, not true. You see, Judas Iscariot, now he said Jesus. Go and find out the meaning of Jude. Would they give people name for Nigeria, Jude? You know? Would they give that name Jude? And I be the devilish name as they talk for Bible. But will not they give Jesus as the name in Nigeria? Hello? When I can't come that same Spain, when I don't chop food, better food, when pepper no dey oil no dey, I can still find and say in this land they give their children Jesus. But they know they give Jude. Hello? And are we Christian pastor? So you go know say it gets with a day. What make me talk this matter be say argument about the truth of life nobody know. Just live a peaceful life. But what everybody knows say it is good to be good. That is all I personally know, and I think that is what everybody should know. Thank you very much for having my time, like always. God bless you, and don't forget, I am your Brother Aiedee, the preacher with testimony, the man who believes in community development through general knowledge, public issues, and evangelical presentations. This is Addis Public Awareness Ministries, and I am your host on Time to Talk. Bringing people and communities together to do what? To share ideas, to share personal experiences, and to share general knowledge. That is Time to Talk.